Hello, this is a video tour of flat number 15 Evergreen Court. The apartment is located on the second floor of the building and is entered via a communal landing area with a main entrance door leading through into a hallway. Now in the hallway you do have access to two storage cupboards. So you've got a cupboard there just behind the main entrance door. As you come round, you do also have a good sized cupboard on the right as well. Now the hallway does lead to all rooms within the property. The main entrance area, you can see you've got radiator, wood effect laminate flooring, and this does take you round where you can see the doors to all of the living accommodation. Now the first room on the right, as you walk through into the property, you do have the first bedroom. Now this is the larger of the two bedrooms in here. You do have a window to the side and you can see the communal garden area from this room. Inside the room you do have a radiator. You do also have mirrored fitted wardrobes ahead there. Now the sizes for this room and all other rooms in the property are on the sales particulars as well, so you can get a real size for the space in here. Bedroom number 2 is located next door to bedroom number 1. Again, this is a good size double in here. You also have a window in here overlooking the rear where you can see again the communal garden area. You've got a radiator in here, wood effect laminate flooring. Now directly ahead, I'm going to show you the family bathroom. So inside the bathroom ahead there you can see you do have a low level flush WC. On the left hand side you do have a panelled bath and you do have a wall mounted electric shower over. The hand basin is located on the right, so you can see you do have storage space below there. And you do also have additional space with the radiator behind the door. Next door to the bathroom on the left, you do have the kitchen. So straight ahead you have a cupboard there housing the header and hot water tank. You've got a window at the rear there with a hand basin below with a mixer tap and a drainer unit. And just to show you the view from here. So below there is the communal parking area. You do have a range of wall and base units in the kitchen. So on the left you can see you've got a range of cupboards and work surface area. On the right hand side you do have space for a fridge freezer, integrated microwave oven, space for a cooker, also space and plumbing for a washing machine, and the flooring in here is lino. Lastly, we do have the living room. So you've got a good sized room in here. Again, you've got windows facing out to the communal gardens. You have got wood effect laminate flooring, radiator as well. I just want to show you the other side of the room. Now that does conclude the video tour for this property. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.